no, it looks like it's starting to rain.
You're right. The rain started so suddenly.
We didn't even bring an umbrella or raincoat.
Yes, and there's no place here to hide from the rain.
What should we do now?
Maybe we should stand under that tree for a while.
Is it really safe to stand under a tree when it's raining?
I'm not completely sure, but it's still better than getting fully soaked.
I'm carrying some books with me. They might get wet.
Oh, that could be a problem. Those books look important. Do you have any plastic bag or something to cover them?
Unfortunately, I don't have anything like that.
Then we should leave this place quickly.
Yes, let's run to the bus stop. There might be a shelter there.
Okay, but the road looks slippery.
Don't worry. We will run slowly and carefully.
All right, let's go together.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Run!
Thank God, we finally reached the bus stop.
Yes, we came here just in time.
Are you completely wet?
Not really, only a little. What about you?
Same here, but my shoes are totally wet.
Wet shoes and clothes feel really uncomfortable.
True, but at least we are safe from the rain now.
What about my books? I hope they are okay.
Check them once.
They are mostly fine, just slightly wet at the back.
That's good. I'm glad your books are safe.
Yes, this shelter really helped us today.
By the way, my name is Rucha.
Nice to meet you, Rucha. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Hopefully, the rain will stop soon.
Yes, let's wait here for some time.
So, Rucha, where were you going?
I was going home after my English class.
Oh, you attend English classes.
Yes, I am learning English speaking.
That's great. Your English already sounds good.
Thank you, but I still want to improve a lot.
Are those English books in your bag?
Yes, they are for daily speaking practice.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I try to practice at least 30 minutes daily.
That's a very good habit.
My goal is to speak English fluently.
Do you practice alone or with friends?
Mostly alone, but sometimes with friends.
Practicing with others helps a lot.
Yes, that's why I enjoy conversations.
I think the bus is coming.
Yes, I can see it too.
It was nice talking with you, Rucha.
Same here, Alex.
By the way, do you have a mobile phone?
Yes, I do.
Can we exchange our phone numbers for English practice?
Sure, that's a good idea.
Okay, please tell me your number.
My number is 5, 4, 3, 5, 3, 2, 8, 7.
Got it. I'll give you a missed call.
Yes, I received it. Now I have your number too.
Great. Now we can practice English sometimes.
Do you live with your family, Rucha?
Yes, I live with my parents.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
Is he also a student?
Yes, he is studying in school.
What does your father do?
My father works in an office.
And what about your mother?
She is a homemaker.
Your family sounds very nice.
Thank you. I am very close to my family.
I also live with my family.
Oh, really? How many people are there?
There are 5 members in my family.
That's wonderful.
Are your parents supportive of your English learning?
Yes, they always encourage me.
That's very important for learning.
Yes, it gives me confidence.
Hi, Rucha. Nice to see you again.
Hi, Alex. Nice to see you too.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well. Are you ready for English practice?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's begin.
Great. Tell me about your daily routine.
Okay, I wake up early every day.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 in the morning.
What do you do after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do light exercise for about 10 minutes.
That's a healthy habit.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh and active.
What do you do after that?
Then I take a bath.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I normally eat toast and some fruit.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea in the morning.
What time do you leave your home?
I leave home around 8:30 a.m.
What do you do in your class?
I study English and communication skills.
Do you enjoy your classes?
Yes, I enjoy them very much.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I have lunch around 1 p.m.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, vegetables, and dal.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, my mother cooks very well.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I revise my lessons.
Do you practice English speaking daily?
Yes, I practice speaking every day.
That is why your English is improving.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
What do you do at night?
At night, I have dinner with my family.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
You have a very good routine.
Thank you. I try to follow it regularly.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you cook food at home?
Yes, I cook simple meals sometimes.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and fruit.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Where do you go in the morning?
I go to my English class.
Do you go by bus?
Yes, I travel by bus.
Is the bus usually crowded?
Yes, sometimes it is crowded.
What do you carry in your bag?
I carry books and a water bottle.
Do you have English books in your bag?
Yes, I have English learning books.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice daily.
Does your family support your learning?
Yes, my family always supports me.
Are you shy when speaking English?
Yes, sometimes I feel shy.
What do you do in the evening?
I revise my lessons and practice speaking.
What is your goal in learning English?
My goal is to speak English confidently.
Have you improved your English speaking?
Yes, I have improved a lot with practice.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
That's great. Keep practicing.
Thank you. I will continue practicing every day.